If you want to change the Volte settings or if you want to enable Volte on your Oppo phone, so in this video I will show you the exact process. To do that, just go to settings, then tap on mobile network. From here, just select the SIM card which you're using. For example, I will select SIM1. First of all, just make sure that this toggle is enabled. After you enable this option, then enable data roaming and select turn on. After that, you will find the option of Volte calls. Now just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, now to use it, just tap on preferred network type. Now instead of 2G only or 3G and 2G, just select 4G. And if you have the option of LTE, just select LTE. And finally, just tap on access point names. Then tap on the three dots over here and select Reset Access Point Names. From here, just tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will enable Volte on the selected SIM card. Now, if you have two SIM cards on your Oppo phone, just repeat the same process for the second SIM. Just like that. And this is how you can change the Volte settings on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.